versions: A530F, Europe, Global Single SIM, A530F/DS, Global Dual SIM. Also known as Samsung Galaxy A8, 2018, duos with dual SIM card slots. Network technology: GSM/HSPA/LTE. Launch announced 2017, December. Status coming soon. Release 2018, January 6. Body dimensions 149.2 by 70.6 by 8.4 mm, 5.87 by 2.78 by 0.33 in. Weight 172 grams, 6.07 ounces. Build: front, back glass, aluminum frame. SIM: single SIM, nano SIM, or dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Samsung Pay. IP68 certified, dust, waterproof over 1.5 meter and 30 minutes. Display type: Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen, 16 colors. Size 5.6 inches, 79.6 square centimeters, 75.6% screen to body ratio. Resolution 1080 by 2220 pixels, 18.5 to 9 ratio, 441 pit density. Multi-touch: yes. Protection: Corning Gorilla Glass, unspecified version. Always on display. Platform: OS Android 7.1.1, Nougat. Chipset: Exynos 7885 Octa. CPU: octa-core, 2x2. 2 GHz Cortex-A73 and 6x1. 6 GHz Cortex-A53. GPU: Mali G71. Memory card slot: microSD, up to 256 GB, dedicated slot. Internal 32/64 of a gigabyte, 4 GB RAM. Camera: primary 16MP, f/1.7, face detection, autofocus, LED flash. Features: geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, HDR. Video 1080p at 30 fps. Secondary dual, 16MP plus 8MP, f/1.9, 1080p. Sound alert types: vibration, MP3, WAV ringtones. Loudspeaker: yes. 3.5mm jack: yes. Active noise cancellation with dedicated mic. Comms: WAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth 5.0, 82dp, EDR, LA. GPS: yes, with a GPS, GLONASS, BDS. NFC: yes. Radio: FM radio. USB 2.0, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. Features: sensors: fingerprint, rear-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer. Messaging: SMS, threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, IM. Browser: HTML5. Fast battery charging. ANT plus support. MP4/WMV/H.265 player. MP3/WAV/WMA/EAC plus/FLAC player. Photo, video editor. Document viewer. Battery non-removable.